कर्नाटकांतल्या निकालावेल्यान एक गजाल स्पश्ट आसा. लोक भाजपा सरकाराक लागीं करता. भाजपान केल्ल्या कार्याक लागून जनतेक भाजप जाय. सगळ्याक वांगडा घेवन चलपी हो पक्ष आसा. आतां कर्नाटकाचो म्हादय प्रश्ना कडेन लागींचो संबंद आसा आनी केंद्र सरकाराचो गोंय सरकाराक पुराय तेंको आसा आनी हे गोंय सरकार हाचेर गंभीर आसा. म्हादयचें उदक कर्नाटकाक वळोवपाक दिवचें ना म्हूण पंचायत मंत्र्यान ह्या वेळार स्पश्ट केलां. RDX गोवा खातीर परवरेच्यान संजय मुनोली.
See, one thing I want to say very clearly. First of all, the Karnataka results show how much people are wanting to embrace the BJP. And it is not for nothing that people want to embrace the BJP. It is based on a record of performance. It is based on record of making progress in different states all over the country. And a party of which likes to carry everybody along. Gone are the days when people used to brand it as a communal party. Today people from all sections, from all caste, creed, irrespective of from where they hail from, want to join BJP. And here is a classic example in Karnataka where people from Congress, from Janata Dal, yes, they joined the BJP and they contested elections. 12 out of 15 the BJP has won with very high margins, which shows that the people are with the BJP. Now, having said that, as you are asking me questions, somehow Madai is being linked with Karnataka elections. I simply want to say one thing. Not only the local government is committed to protecting Madai river or Madai waters from being diverted elsewhere, even the central government is fully supporting the Goa government. As was clarified by Javadekar, it was the case of some lower officials issuing some letter. That letter is to be withdrawn. You will see in due course of time whether it is withdrawn or not. That will be the real proof that Goa government is concerned, central government is concerned. I for one would say that no right thinking Goan, no right thinking person at the helm of affairs in a state, whether a minister or the chief minister, would like these waters to be diverted. And we will never allow this to happen, come what may.